Warmer weather can often pair with severe weather, which we're tracking tonight, and the lake shores where some of those storms are going to start rolling in here soon.
Yeah, eventually we'll see some storms in Chicago. This is the scene in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. And again, further south, this is Chicago that we'll see there as well. Again, not a whole lot to see at the time being, but tonight severe weather will continue tracking into West Michigan.
And this is a view of those storms. Again, looking over, it looks like Chicago here. Live view, and you can see the kind of cloud cover. It's making its way towards us.
Yeah, slowly but surely that'll be the case as we continue to head through this evening. For the time being, though, West Michigan is indeed dry. You'll notice some of those showers and thunderstorms firing up in that yellow area. What you're looking at there is a tornado watch in Wisconsin and portions of Illinois trying to make its way across the lake. And I'd say within the next 30 minutes to an hour, we will likely see a tornado watch issued for West Michigan. So be on the lookout for that. For the time being, though, we're watching these storms closely. We'll likely start to see some of those storms pop on our lakeshore between that 8 and 9 o'clock hour, and then the main event or the main line quickly following between the hours of about 9 and midnight. So keeping a close eye on this, be weather ready as you head throughout this evening. As a reminder, still a little bit of a ways to go with this, but these initial storms firing should be here within about 2 hours or so. So let's talk those risks. Tornado risk is actually relatively high for portions of West Michigan tonight. You'll notice this yellow color near and south of I-94 is a 10% risk, and there is a chance that if we do see tornadoes form, they could be EF2 or even slightly stronger. The biggest risks that are widespread across our counties, though, do remain as wind. Top wind gusts could easily exceed 70 miles per hour. We'll also likely see that hail risk with 2-inch hail or larger. We got reports of golf ball sized hail already in portions of Wisconsin, and again, those storms tracking towards us. So here's a look over the next couple of hours. Again, on the lakeshore's doorstep right between about 8 and 9 o'clock, and then pretty much all of West Michigan feeling those impacts between 9 and 10. The silver lining here is these storms are going to move pretty quickly, so they should be mostly out of our region by about midnight, but of course there could certainly be damage left behind. As we move into our Friday morning, we'll dry out and clear out, should pave the way for some sunshine for your bus stop commute and your bus stop forecast and commute. Into Friday, still a high of 83. We'll see another chance for some showers and thunderstorms developing in the evening, and those could be strong but a much lower threat. Lingering showers continue into Saturday and Sunday, but a lot cooler behind this system. So we'll take you out through Friday. Again, this is where we could see a strong storm or two. Much lesser threat this go around, and our tornado threat much lower this go around as well, but something to be prepared for if you have any Friday outdoor plans, especially during those evening hours. There's those showers lingering as we move into Saturday, but again, those will be relatively scattered in nature. Marginal risk in effect as we move towards Friday. Again, that's a level 1 out of 5 on our scale, considerably lower than where we are this evening. So again, have a plan this evening, have multiple ways to get warnings. We are tracking all of those threats across West Michigan, damaging wind, hail, and tornadoes. Tomorrow should be a mostly dry start with a chance for some stronger storms in the evening, and then a very quiet 8-day forecast, but a much cooler 8-day forecast as we see those temperatures hold in the mid-60s with more rain chances in the Tuesday and Wednesday timeframe.